And I highly recommend you check out the Boo at the zoo because the weather will be fantastic tomorrow. It will be a little bit on the chilly side to start off, but really nice and warm conditions continuing until then. So as we look outside out the window right now, you may be wondering, is it supposed to rain tonight? I don't think it was. It just looks like it's going to rain in a couple areas, even maybe a couple sprinkles making it to the ground in some of those eastern Oregon spots. But other than that, things are staying on the dry side and really mild throughout the whole weekend with more of those high temperatures in the 60s for valley spots. We do have some changes coming in, though, on Sunday night, so expect that to change. Enjoy it while it lasts, but know that it is changing. And we even have multiple shots of a little bit of snow on valley floors coming next week. And unfortunately, that does include Halloween, but we'll take more of a look at that in just a second. But when we talk about the weekend, here's the temperature ranges. We are expecting closer to the mid 50s and 60s for mountain spots, and some of the valley areas could get all the way up to 70 degrees. More of a higher chance of that happening tomorrow rather than Sunday when we're expecting a little bit of a cool down. So since we have a lot of these ideal conditions coming together on Saturday, if you have to tackle some of those leaves, I think that's your best day to do it. It will be also clear for you in most spots on Sunday morning, but it will be cold. So Saturday's probably your better option. And then Sunday evening and afternoon, we start to see some moisture move in, a little bit of the winds increasing. And so Sunday and Monday looking not so great for all of those raking options. As we look ahead to Sunday, you can see in the afternoon hours, some of the rain showers will be increasing, even though McCall may see some of these showers earlier towards the morning hours. All of this moisture will continue to slide to the southeast, and you can see getting it closer to Stanley and some of those valley spots as well. The moisture overall with this system is expected to be quite light. So we're not talking about a lot, but we are talking about snow levels decreasing all the way down to 3,500 to 4,500 by Tuesday. So cooler air will be following behind the system that we see on Sunday. But again, until that time frame, we see more of the clear conditions, and we start off with sunshine tomorrow morning. Not quite as cold in the morning hours to start off tomorrow than what we saw today, but it will still be on the chilly side. So again, more sunshine in the morning hours and just a couple clouds throughout the afternoon as well. In the valley spots, those temperatures should take us all the way towards the 70-degree range. Highs expected to be 78 degrees for Boise with a low of 40. So you can see all the way through weekend, those temperatures will stay on the warmer side. Then Monday, that cooler air starts to filter in, and bam, we see those highs go back down to the 50s. And then check out this cooling trend that continues. So we don't see the temperatures bump back up. And towards the end of this forecast is where we start to see the chances of a rain-snow mix. And yes, that does include Halloween as well. So enjoy some of the warm temperatures that will be lingering this weekend while we have them. And tonight is kickoff. We're kicking off down in UNLV, where the Broncos are playing tonight in just a little bit. And Jay will have the latest on all the coverage for you coming up after the break.